One thing that we really miss about having a house is gardening. So we just bought these pots. They were about $2 each from Walmart. And we got some seed packets of things that can grow in pots. We got radishes, cilantro, which is not supposed to grow well in a pot, but we're gonna try it, and cherry tomatoes.
Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Family's family road trip.
So these pots do not have any holes in the bottom, so we are going to drill some holes so that the water can run through, because I've learned that when kids help water, they water too much and the plants will get flooded. So we're going to let them flow out, and then we'll just keep them outside wherever we go, and then we'll just bring them inside and put them in a Rubbermaid tub as we're traveling so that they don't leak all over inside the house. So we're going to get to planting.
Let's plant.
Or first we're going to drill, I guess. First we drill.
All right, I think we're just going to let it rock here.
When you first plant it, it's brown.
Now we've got holes in the bottom of each one, so that in case we overwater, the water will drain out, but the hole should be small enough that the soil should stay in. So let's get our soil.
How is she gonna do that? This is gonna suck. We're gonna wait.
This is gonna be so cool.
They're never gonna come to.
You're never gonna be. Mom, got the oil?
Got it?
Got the oil?
How much do one of those
Alright, I
bags?
wasn't sure how much soil we'd need, so we grabbed 2 bags from Walmart. They were about $1.50 a piece.
Open them.
If you have extra, do you think I could, if I buy...
How would we
have
learn?
gardens?
Alright, so when we had our greenhouse and our garden at our house, we grew some cilantro, and it was coming up everywhere. Places we did not want it. It was sprouting on the ground in the greenhouse. It was coming up all around the garden. It was all over the place. So I thought cilantro was super easy to grow. But when I Googled it and was researching, I actually heard it's harder to grow, and it does not like to grow well in pots. So we did buy a cilantro plant. It was $2 or $3 at Walmart for a plant. So we're going to plant that in, and we're going to plant some seeds around it, so that hopefully once the cilantro plant is kind of done, then the seeds will be coming up, and then we'll have more cilantro. I don't know if it's really going to work, but...
Mommy wants more cilantro.
You want more cilantro? But it's worth it to give it a try. I know the radishes and tomatoes are going to grow just fine. We can't plant too many radishes because they need enough space to grow under the soil. But we'll have a couple, and they grow pretty fast. These ones say we can harvest in 22 days. So that's pretty quick. Once a month we could have a new batch of them coming up. So we'll put the seeds in.
Let's do it. Now radish time. Now radish.
We put all of the seeds in. Now I'm going to get some water.
Okay.
Cilantro already grew.
Yeah, but
You got a special
mine
pot.
will be room. This one is mine, and
You won't get
this one is the
one.
next.
I'm gonna get my own pot.
And I'm gonna keep mine.
What other plant should I buy? Or what type of seeds do you think I should buy at the store?
Cilantro.
the best type?
Cilantro.
I'd go with a vegetable of some sort, because then you can actually either eat it or sell it.
Peas?
Yeah, that'd be good. Well, like, pick something that won't take forever to grow. Like, maybe radishes, they take 22 days. So, you could...
Two packs? Like 2 packs and you'll have enough for like a couple.
Yeah, and, like, you could sell them at, like, farmers markets.
Or kids marketplace.
Yeah,
Oh, who would want to buy radishes?
More water.
More water.
Mom?
But what about the red?
Water. We'll get the red one next.
Dude, let's go.
Those ones are dripping out the bottom.
Now our seeds are going to grow. These little itsy bitsy plants are going to grow.
Our radishes are popping up. It's only been a couple days. And we have a new plant. James decided to do a tomato plant. So he bought a Better Boy tomato plant. And he planted a plant so he does not have to wait as long for the seeds.
Mama, I'll show you mine.
Okay, let's
Here
see
it
yours. Ooh, tell me about it.
Mine is so various and so cool.
Is it cilantro?
Yeah.
Awesome. They're growing. You're excited, aren't ya?
Yes. But I am excited for that one to grow big.
Yep, nothing's coming up yet in the tomato pot. But those little radishes are poking on through.
Yeah, this is so cute and tiny and so cute.
Getting bigger and bigger each day.
I'm going to say Emmett Emmett. Oh, it's another day about Emmett Emmett. Today, I want you to see my plants here. And I have been watering them and giving them healthy so they can grow big like a palm tree. And even they just love me and they eat our bugs. Here's the baby plants and here's the big plant and here's some radishes. So today is good with Emmett Emmett, and that's the things I want to talk about. Tell you about my plans here. Bye-bye.